Hello, first grade authors. It's Mrs. Davis here with your writing lesson for today. Today is Thursday, May 6th. All right, my friends, your goal today. Today you will research your topic using good resources and write down important information and interesting facts about your topic. Oh, just like we've talked about in our reading lessons. So we said we want to start with inquiry, those questions we have. You chose your topic yesterday. You did some brainstorming on your Alpha Boxes page. Today I want you to generate some questions about your topic. So one of the reasons Miss Davis picked alligators is because I want to know, how are alligators different than crocodiles? Because remember, I saw one at the zoo and I couldn't remember what's the difference between those two animals. So that was one of my questions I have. I also want to know more about, where do alligators live? Because I feel like some of them might live near me. And what do alligators eat? Then it's time to do some research. Now that I've got my inquiry, I'm ready to do some research. So here are some of those great resources we talked about we can use and have access to through our Clever account. So first up is PebbleGo. In your Clever account, you can find PebbleGo, which we'll take a look at together in just a moment here. All kinds of great nonfiction information, perfect for our informational writing. There's always your local library located at Tomball Lone Star College. Has a great library that you can join and check out books from. Myon, our wonderful library of books on our computer that we have access to through Clever. And National Geographic Kids. That's a newer one that Miss Davis will show you more about, but we used it in our last writing as well. You have access to all of those great resources. And in addition, today we want you to start to record important information and interesting details on a graphic organizer. Now, since Miss Davis said that you can choose what your topic is, I'm going to give you some different organizers to choose from that go with your topic. So if you're writing another animal informational like I am, you'll see this graphic organizer for gathering information about animals. This one is best used with animals because it talks about habitat and diet and gives you some helpful pointers for things to look for. So that one's great for animal facts. I'll also include a link to this one. Is great if you're writing about a person. If you're doing a research on a biography, a person writing a biography for that informational text, then this is a great organizer for you to record character traits about them, lessons you've learned, interesting facts, what they're best known for, maybe what you'd like to ask them. Great for biography. And then if your topic doesn't fit in to the animal or people category, maybe you're writing about something in science or something in the world around us, you can use this brainstorming web to record facts about your topic. Remember, you'll put the topic in the middle. All right, so I said I was going to start with inquiry. I wanted to know especially, how are alligators different than crocodiles? Where do alligators live? And what do alligators eat? So in your Clever account, you'll see Miss Davis has PebbleGo with a heart on it because I go there often. You click on PebbleGo and it should log you in automatically using your information. And then you can either search by typing or search by selecting the category. Since Miss Davis knows my animal and I know how to spell it, look, even before I finish typing the word, it pops up, alligators.
Reptiles.
So I'm on a fact-finding mission right now. I'm trying to find out information to record on my graphic organizer about alligators. My first section talks about characteristics. It mentions size, body covering, features, number of legs, eyes, wings, if it has hooves, a tail, or other unique attributes. So those are just some guidance for you as you're recording facts that are important information or interesting details, what to put in that first box all about the animal's body. The next section says habitat. I notice up here my tabs on PebbleGo, hey, one of them says habitat. So that'll be a good place to look for information about my alligator's habitat. And then the last one on my page says diet. Diet talks about what this animal eats. And here my tab on PebbleGo says food. So food will be a great place to find facts. Now remember, friends, when we're doing our research, we don't want to just write down exactly what we see on the screen. We want to make sure we put it in our own words. And for our fact finding, we don't have to write complete sentences on our organizers. We can just jot down some words or phrases that we want to make sure to remember. Or if you are more comfortable putting it in a sentence, that's fine too. You don't have to. All right, so Miss Davis is starting off with body. What do I want to know about the alligator's body? It says alligators are large reptiles. Oh, I see that's a big bold word. I should probably click it and find out what that means.
Reptile, a cold-blooded animal with a backbone. Scales cover a reptile's body.
Friends, do you think that's some important information about my alligator? Absolutely, right? I'm going to include that an alligator is a reptile. And I can see how to spell that from my screen here. I also think it's interesting that they are cold-blooded. I might want to learn more about what that means exactly. And that they're covered in scales. All good information to include in my writing about alligators. So I've added reptile, cold-blooded, covered in scales. This is in my first section here on characteristics. Let's go back to our text here. All right, so alligators are large reptiles. They weigh 1,000 pounds, 450 kilograms. Alligators have short legs and strong tails. Their big mouths are filled with sharp, pointy teeth. Wow, I definitely heard some more information I want to make sure to include. That they have strong tails and sharp, pointy teeth. So when I think about an alligator, those are things I think about. So I just put strong tails and sharp teeth on my paper. So now I've got some great facts about alligators. I can continue to find more facts on other websites and other resources, or I can go ahead and move on to my next category, all about their habitat. So today, your goal, writers, is to work on fact finding. Today, you will research your topic using good resources and write down important information and interesting facts about your topic. Remember to use an organizer to help you keep track of your facts, and have fun researching. Miss Davis will see you all tomorrow. Bye.